Hi everybody, this is Elizabeth from Petals and Parchment, and I'm here to do the drawing for the Sugarplum Stories collaboration between myself and Wild Rose Bohemian. I'd like to thank everybody who participated and followed along with all of the collaborators, the Sugarplums, and watched their videos and liked them and subscribed and left really sweet comments on everyone's videos. And a big special thank you to everybody who followed along with our game. So this drawing is for everyone who sent in a completed game board, and I've got 17 submissions, and so let's get started really quickly here. I'm going to do one drawing first up for the grand prize, which I'm offering a year-long subscription to the Petals and Parchment Papery, which is my monthly membership on Ko-fi, and I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check that out. Typically it's $5 a month and you get tons of pages, and I drop bonus pages every week for the members, and it's a really good deal. Also, there's input for future themes if you want to submit an idea if you're a member and let me know what you'd like to see. I'm always open to suggestions. And then after we get our grand prize winner, which will be the first spin, then I'm going to do 5 random drawings for a single kit from my shop. So I'm going to do a total of 6 spins tonight, giving away 6 prizes. The very first spin is going to be the grand prize winner, and then we'll remove that person from the drawing, and then we'll pick 5 more, and each of those people will get to choose one kit from my shop. So let's get started. All right, thanks so much for joining me. I'm really excited to see. I've got 17 names here, and I've got 17 numbers on the wheel, so I'm just gonna hit tap to spin, and we'll see who the lucky winner is. All right, number 8. Okay, the grand prize goes to Katie Hotari. Congratulations, Katie. You got a year-long subscription to my membership. Thank you so much for playing along. I hope you're just as excited as me. Okay, I'm going to remove number 8 here. Okay, I've removed number 8, and let's continue on here. We're going to spin 5 more times, and each one of these will be for a free kit in my shop. Okay, number 17, that's Anna Suntree. Congratulations, Anna. Thank you so much for playing along in our game. And let's go ahead and remove number 17. And let's go again. Find our next winner. This is so fun. Okay, number 2, June Crow. Yay, congratulations, June Crow. All right, you got a kit, June. Send me a message on Ko-fi and I'll let you pick whichever kit you want in the shop. Alrighty, we're gonna delete number 2. Okay, here we go again. This is for their third winner for a kit in the shop. Number 12, Selena Greenow. All right, you were number 3. Congratulations, Selena. Thank you so much for playing and for submitting your game board. I'm gonna delete number 12 now. Probably not doing this the most effective way. I just downloaded this tonight, so thank you for your patience. Okay, so we've got 2 more spins to go. Okay, and our next winner is number 14, Beverly Smith Gross. Congratulations, Beverly. Send me the kit of your choice. Thank you so much for playing along. Let's go ahead and edit one more time and get rid of number 14. This is awesome. One more winner. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Number 5, Sandra Dyer. Congratulations. You are the winner of the 5th kit. All right, so, wow. Okay, just to go over that again, Katie Hotari, you won the grand prize. Please reach out to me via Ko-fi, or you can send me a message at petalsandparchment@outlook.com, and I'll get you set up with the membership. And then everybody else, we've got Anna Suntree, June Crow, Selena Greenow, Beverly Smith Gross, and Sandra Dyer. Please reach out to me. You can either do private message on Facebook Messenger, or reach out to me through Ko-fi, or send me a message on my email, petalsandparchment@outlook.com, and I'll get everybody their prizes. Again, thank you everyone so much for making this first collaboration smashing success and so much fun. I've been enjoying seeing what everyone is posting as far as your projects, and just seeing all the beautiful makes. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and stay tuned for more journal goodness. Thank you. Bye-bye.